Hello students, this is our second class on the chapter Adaptations, how plants survive. Students, in the first class, we learnt about habitat, adaptive features and adaptation. We also learnt about different two types of plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Among terrestrial plants, we learn about the adaptive features and some examples of plants growing on mountains, deserts and plains. Today, we are going to study about some trees that grow in sea coast or in coastal areas. Coconut, palms, these are some trees which grow well in salty water and in high rainfall areas. Their seeds also dispersed or transported to other places through water bodies, through sea water. So children, these are some adaptive features. The adaptive features help coconut and palm trees to survive in salty water and high rainfall areas. Now come to the areas with heavy rainfall. Children, there are some trees and plants which grow in areas where there is heavy rainfall occurs. These trees remain green throughout the year. They never shed their leaves as they got rain the whole year. These trees are known as evergreen trees. Examples are rubber, teak, cashew nut, pepper, etc. Some smaller plants like rice, sugarcane and cotton also grow there. Students, these are all about the plants or trees grow in land. Got it? Now come to the second type of plants, that is aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are the plants which grow in water. The plants which grow in water or underwater are known as aquatic plants. They are also classified into three types: floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Children, in case of floating plants, the plants float on the water surface, on the surface of water, because their stems are light and spongy, which make the plant body light in wet and which can float on the surface of water. Examples are water hyacinth and duckweed. The second type is fixed aquatic plants. Children, in case of fixed aquatic plants, the root of the plants are fixed at the bottom of the water surface. Understood? Their stems are thin, light in weight and hollow. They are also long in structure, which help the stems to reach the bottom of water. Got it? Now children, leaves of these plants are flat, broad and have waxy coating on them. Why? The waxy coating of the plants, of the leaves, help them to prevent from rotting. The waxy coating of the leaves prevent the leaves from rotting in water. Examples are lotus and water lily. Understood? Now children, the root of lotus plant is known as kamal kakri, which is used to make some delicious vegetable curries. Got it? Now come to underwater plants. Children, underwater plants live under the water. Examples are chapgrass and pondweed. Actually, their leaves are very thin and narrow without stomata. Exceptional case here. of leaves you can find in case of underwater plants? The plant's leaves are thin, narrow and without stomata. Then carbon dioxide and oxygen either absorbed or released through the surface of the leaves. No stomata present on the underside of the leaf as in other plants. Understood? And children, directly the surface of the leaves, through the surface of the leaves, the plants absorb carbon dioxide and oxygen from water. Understood? So, these are the aquatic plants, types of aquatic plants and their examples. We also learn about the adaptive features of the stem or root or the leaf of these aquatic plants. Understood? So children, we have completed learning about the two different types of plants, their subdivisions, the adaptive features of the trees or plants or shrubs grown on these land masses or in water bodies. In our next class, we will learn about insectivorous plants and some non-green plants. Till then, all of you learn page, that is from your book, page 67 and 68 and 69 from your science book. Learn thoroughly these pages of your science book. Okay? Take care.